So hello guys. So today we'll be solving, a simple sum on G codes and M codes. So as you can see in the figure, okay. So we are supposed to, machine a semicircle. All right. So with the help of a cutting tool, we are supposed to cut, a shape of semicircle as you can see from A to B. Now here you can see the coordinates of A are 145 and 110. Alright. Similarly the coordinate of B is 65 and 120. Okay. And here you can see A dash or A1. Alright. Take it as A dash. The distance of A dash from the reference is 100. So this is the reference point 00. All right. And so here you can see, okay, the distance where they have measured the radius, where the radius of the semicircle is 50. All right. And here till here the distance is 80. Okay. So initially we have to make a cut of arc A dash and B. So here you can see what we have to do. So we are supposed to cut the arc A dash B. All right. So initially while starting, you have to start with N01. Okay. G00. So G00 X 145 and Y 110. Okay. So initially first you're supposed to understand. Okay. I have missed out something. Here in the question the direction is given. So the arc is supposed to go from A dash and to B. Okay. So it is going this way. So this is the first line of the program N01. Okay. It depends on you. You can name it as N10. Okay. N50, N100. You can start with anything. Okay. So N01, line number 1. G00. What is the meaning of G00? Rapid positioning. Rapid positioning. So now what is happening here is your cutting tool is moving to X 145 Y 10. Sorry, Y 110. So here initially when your cutting tool is here at the reference point, that is 00. Now we are given the command of rapid positioning to the tool to move from here to here. Okay. So rapid position means something in which you're not operating or you're not cutting anything. So it's just the movement of tool from one place to another. Okay. So here rapid positioning of the tool is taking place to coordinate X 145 and Y 110. So your tool from here will go here to point A. Okay. So next line N02, G03, X 100, Y 130, R 50 and F, that is feed, is 50. Okay. So now understanding the second line. Alright. So here what is the meaning of G03? Ab initially when your tool is here, your cutting tool is here, it is supposed to travel to A1. So A dash. Okay. So what is the position of A dash? Position of A dash, X is 100 and Y is how much? Y is 80 plus 50. That will be 130. Alright. So 80 plus 50, because the radius is 50, that will be the sum will be 130. So the meaning of G03 is counter clockwise movement of cutting tool. All right, so what is happening here? Because of G00, your tool move from the initial position to position A. All right, and from position A you're giving a command to the cutting tool of G03. All right, G03 means counterclockwise movement of cutting tool. So your tool will move from A to A dash, because you have given the reference x100 y30. All right, so it is supposed to move in an anti-clockwise direction to A dash at x100 y130, taking the radius as 50 and the cutting feed. All right, the feed will be 50. So this depends on you, 50. All right, if nothing is given in the question, you can take it as 50. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now next step of coding, N03. Now your tool is here. Now you're supposed to move the tool from A dash to B. So what? Again G03. Okay, again it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction, counterclockwise direction. Again G03, x65. So x65 y 120. अब you're giving the movement, okay, in anti-clockwise direction to till point B, where B is having the coordinates x65 y 120. Again, considering the radius 50 and again feed 50. I hope this program is clear. This line of program is clear with you guys. And next, अब यहाँ पे हमारा सेमी सर्कल आर्क तो ये आर्क तो हमारा बन गया है. Now, so we are done with the operation, and now next N04. All right, M30. Okay, now the meaning of M30 is stop and finish of program. Okay, so this is it. This is a simple G code M code program, okay, to start with, to make you guys understand how it exactly works. Okay, so moving on to another simple example of G code and M code. Okay, so this is the diagram. We are supposed to drill 2 holes. Okay, so here the distance from the reference is 20, and I guess this is also 20. Okay, and here the distance, this is 50. All right, and this distance is 60. Okay, so this overall distance is 80, and vertical distance is 70. So here what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to drill 2 holes. Okay, so this is the initial position 0, 0. All right, so now starting with the first line of program, N05. Okay, you can take any N10, N50, N01, anything. So here I have taken N05, G00, X20, Y20, and Z2. So now what is happening here is G00, again you know, that is rapid positioning. Okay, so we are supposed to drill holes. Okay, we are supposed to drill 2 holes. Okay, so what will be the diameter? The diameter is 12. All right, for 2 holes. Okay, so here you can see this is the first program G00. Here you're taking your tool, you're giving a new position to your tool to x20, y20. So x20, all right, y20. So and z is the vertical distance for drilling. So now initially they have taken it to z2. All right, so they're just making sure that it is at a distance from the workpiece. Okay, so now next line is N10 G01 Z minus 21 F100. So guys, what is the meaning of G01? G01 is linear interpolation. So once your tool is at x20 y20, ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या दे रहे हैं, एक लीनियर इंटरपोलेशन का कमांड दे रहे हैं, दैट इज G01, ओके, एट Z minus 21. So now Z is the vertical, okay, it is the depth. All right, so what will happen when you're taking the tool, okay, on the workpiece, okay, and when you're giving the command of linear interpolation Z minus 21, so it will cut the workpiece, it will go down in Z direction. Okay, are you understanding? So what will happen here, Z minus 21 is the command for drilling the hole. So it is drilling the material in Z direction minus 21 with a feed rate of 100. All right, so next what is happening, next line of programming, N15 G00 Z2. So what is happening here, again rapid positioning, Z at 2. So initial position where Z was, Z where your tool was. Okay, so once the drilling is completed with minus 21, they are taking it again up, okay, by giving a command rapid position of the tool to Z2. Again they are taking the tool in the upward direction. Okay, so one drill operation is done. So next N20, next line, N20 G00 X60 Y50. So now since one drill operation is already done, so now they are taking the tool to the next position to drill the second hole. So next position is X60 and Y50. So your tool will be here. Then again you will be giving a command N25 G01, again linear interpolation of Z minus 21 in the direction of Z to drill the hole till minus 21 F100 with a feed rate of 100. So again क्या होगा, Z के command के लिए for linear interpolation in Z direction, again the tool will go down, it will drill the hole, okay, till minus 21 and it will come back up. अभी ऊपर लाने के लिए हमको क्या करना है, N30 G00 Z2. अगेन रैपिड पोजिशन देंगे हम आफ्टर ड्रिलिंग द होल, जब हमने होल को ड्रिल कर दिया है, ठीक है, अभी हमको वापस उसको ऊपर लाना है, तो अगेन रैपिड पोजिशनिंग Z2. सो इन Z coordinate the tool will come up again. Okay, and next N35, all right, M, or you can take it to the initial position. The drilling operation is already done, so you can take it to G00 X0 Y0, and last N40, that will be the last is M, 8:30. So that is stop in, finish of program. Okay, so I hope both the sums are clear with you guys, and if you're having any doubts or anything after watching the video, you can contact me on WhatsApp. So we will also try to have a doubt solving session on the weekend itself, okay, on this particular topic. So any doubt related to this video, you can WhatsApp me anytime on my personal number. Okay, so this is it for today's lecture. All right, see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.